Mohan from Shivam International School. As per the guidelines of CBSE and instructions of our Shivam International School management, I am trying to provide you the online classes in English. Students of standard 6, 7 and 8, today I am giving you some guidelines of one of the most important topics in grammar, determiners. Before starting, you must have some study materials like a notebook and pen, and also you should care for what I am going to explain about the topic determiners. Dear students, determiners are one of the important parts of English grammar. As we know, grammar plays a very important role to correct our language. Really, determiners play a very important role in it. Firstly, you must know what determiners are. Determiners, spelling DETERMINERS. Actually, this word is made of the verb determine, which means to ensure or indicate the use of a noun. Really, in short, you can follow that all the words that are used before nouns are determiners. As the definition of determiners, we can say that determiners are such words which are used before nouns or indicates the use of nouns. So altogether, we can classify the types of determiners into three parts. First, articles. As you know, in articles, we study a and the uses. So, if you take care, then articles are also used before nouns. So, they are called determiners. For example, a book. Book is noun, and before book, when a is used, then it is determiner. An apple, same thing. Apple is a noun, and is used before it, then an is a determiner. Same type, we can take the example of the also. The sun, the moon, sun and moon are also nouns, and the is used before these. So, the is also a determiner. So, as the first part of determiners, articles are included. So, keep in your mind that articles are determiners. Second, adjectives. If you take care, then as the part of definition of adjectives, it is said that adjectives describe or qualify a noun or a pronoun. As determiners are concerned to nouns, so adjectives are also taken as the second part of determiners. One more thing, you will have to take care of the different types of adjectives. Among these, you can take adjective of quality. If you remember, then it expresses the quality means what type of a noun a particular noun is. Means in another way, adjective of quality answers the question how a particular noun is, and such adjectives are used before nouns, so they are also taken as determiners. For example, when we say nice thing, cheap book, cheap and nice, for honest man, the man is noun, book is noun, and thing is also noun. And because nice, cheap, honest, these words have been used before nouns, so they are also determiners. Secondly, adjective of quantity. It expresses the quantity of a noun. Means it expresses how much a particular noun is. And that expressing word means adjective is also used before a noun. So it is also a determiner. For example, much water, little tea, etc. Third, adjective of a number. As you know, it expresses how many a noun is. And that word of adjective is also used before a noun, so it is also taken as determiners. For example, many persons, maybe determiner, persons noun. 4 pens, pens are noun, so 4 determiner, etc. Fourth one can be taken as demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective, which indicates a noun, which one it is, if it is the close ones or the farther ones, in which the words like this, that, these, those, such are taken, and when they are used before a noun, so they are also determiners. Fifth one, distributive adjective. Distributive adjective give the sense of distribution of more than one nouns, plural nouns, in which words like each, every, either and either are taken, and when they are used before nouns, then they are also determiners. Sixth one, we can take interrogative adjective. As you know, some of the words of interrogation are used before noun like what, which, whose. These words when taken before nouns, then they are also determiners. Seventh one is proper adjective, which is made of proper nouns belonging to some place names, like India, then Indian, and when Indian people are used, then people as nouns, so Indians are determiners. Besides, third part of determiners are prepositions. If you take care, then you will remember that prepositions are also the words which are used before a noun or pronoun to show its position or a relation with another word in a sentence. So why? Because they are also used before nouns, they are also taken as determiners like at home, on foot, as home, foot, these are nouns, and at or on are used before nouns, so they are taken as determiners. So these are the determiners, and if you take care, I think it will help you to solve all the exercises belonging to this topic, determiners. Okay, thank you.